In today's video, let us check how to add segment in TradeSmart. To add segment, you need to use box facility, that is box login. Now, in case you already have BSC segment active with us and NSE is disabled, then same can be activated from box and vice versa. Also, if only the cash segments are active, that is NSE and BSC segment, and you wish to add the currency segment or derivative segment, same can be done using the box facility. However, please note that if only the derivative segment is active and if you wish to enable the cash segment or the commodities segment, then you need to follow the account opening process with the help of sales team. Now let us check how to add segment using box facility. You need to log in box. To tap on the icon which is available on top hand side and go to my profile. In my profile, you shall find segments and then add segment option, wherein you need to put a tick on the segment you wish to enable and then upload the bank statement. Please make sure that your bank statement is not password protected, after which you can submit your latest 6 months bank statement. Once you submit the request, you shall receive an OTP. You can select either SMS or email option. After the OTP verification, you shall receive a message such as your request is under process. Please note that it takes 2 working days for segment addition. Thank you.